So many of you are under the impression that the Daniel Defense folding stock adapter has to be mounted on the left side of the gun. I'm going to show you how to mount it on the right side and what happens when you do it. So first thing we're going to do is remove the folding stock adapter because we're going to pull it out and flip it over. I have installed Sure Shot Tactical's extension connector. What that does, that allows you to connect your folding stock adapter to the original spacer to the stock, thereby you're gaining length of pull and eye relief, which in my case was a requirement. There's no way to make that folding stock adapter work without doing that for me. All right, so we're gonna get that out of there. Now, why we're taking this out is because, I'll have it out of here in just a moment and I'll show you. All right, on your folding stock adapter, there's a large pin and a small pin. You want that large pin head on the top. So if we were to just move it over like this, that works. But if you flip it over, that's a problem. So just paying attention to the way that Daniel Defense wants it installed. We're going to, whoops, I grabbed the wrong bolt. That's the one for the Sure Shot Tactical extension connector. So got the correct one. Hey, look at that. You can already see it coming together on the right side. Going to put in my female adapter. Get this in here. Now, this is going to be a little awkward with where I've got the camera and things set up. So pardon the probably the view of my elbow as I work through this rather blindly. All right, so that's coming together. All right, so my vise is in the way. It's going to get, it's not going to allow me to fully fold it. So let me make some adjustments here to the vise. Okay, so we can see that it now folds to the right. And as it comes around with the bolt open, works perfectly fine. Does not impact the thumb rest. Will open up just fine. It's backwards, so it's awkward. Oops, there we go. And that's it. So it can be done. Now, usually when it's on the other side, let me just think. I press and I lift to get the stock off. Now I have to push down to get the stock to fold. Sorry for my klutziness, but it's all bass backwards right now. So there you go, can be done.